Most gym owners are doing everything right, running ads, getting leads in, offering free trials, and still watching potential members slip through the cracks. Not because their gym isn't good enough, but because they aren't following up fast enough. According to an MIT research paper, you are 100 times more likely to reach a lead if you call within 5 minutes instead of waiting 30 minutes. The average gym follows up within 24 to 48 hours. That gap is where most leads die. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use GoHighLevel as a gym, from building a high-converting website to automating your follow-ups, getting more reviews, and keeping your members coming back. And I'll also show you the exact system I built, which you can get for free just by signing up through the link in the description. More on that later. Let's get into it. Section 1. The website. The first thing you need as a gym is a solid online presence. GoHighLevel lets you build a fully professional website without needing a developer or a designer. Here's one I built specifically for gyms. You've got everything a gym needs: a homepage with a strong headline and clear call to action buttons, a lessons page, a subscriptions page with pricing, testimonials showcasing Google reviews, an FAQ section, and a professional footer. Clean, simple, and built to convert. But here's the important part. It's not just a pretty website. Every button, every form, every booking link is connected directly to GoHighLevel's backend. So when someone fills out a form or books a session, they automatically flow into your CRM and your automations fire instantly. Now maybe you already have a website that you love and don't want to replace. That's completely fine. You don't need to rebuild anything. GoHighLevel has a native AI chatbot feature you can embed on any existing website in minutes. You can also integrate GoHighLevel's forms and calendars onto any site, so you get all of the lead capture and automation benefits without changing your current website. Either way, whether you use the full GoHighLevel website or just plug in the chatbot, forms, and calendars, every lead gets captured automatically and flows straight into your system. And that system starts with Section 2. Section 2. Calendar Setup. Before any of the automations can work, your calendar needs to be configured inside GoHighLevel. This is where you add your meeting types: a free trial session, a consultation, a class booking, along with your staff members, any equipment or room requirements, and your availability. Once that's set up, every booking link in your automations and on your website pulls directly from this calendar, so leads can only book times that actually work for you. Section 3. New lead nurture. Most gyms collect a lead and then wait. Maybe someone gets around to calling them the next day. By then, the lead has already moved on. When someone fills out your free trial form, they instantly become a contact in your GoHighLevel account, and this automation fires immediately. First, it sends an instant SMS confirming their interest and giving them a link to book their free session. Then it fires an email straight away with all the details they need. If they haven't booked within 24 hours, they get a follow-up text. And if they still haven't booked 3 days later, one final message goes out. I also added a manual call task to this workflow. The automation reminds the gym owner or staff member to check if the lead has booked, and if not, to call them. Sometimes a real conversation is what converts. This sequence alone will help you convert more leads into paying customers. But getting the lead is only half the battle, because even if they book, there's no guarantee they show up. Section 4. Appointment reminders and no-shows. No-shows waste your staff's time and cost you money. Someone books a session, you prepare for them, and they don't show up. The appointment reminders workflow fixes that. When an appointment is booked, it automatically sends a reminder message 24 hours before and another one 1 hour before on the day. 2 messages that make a real dent in your no-show rate. But even with reminders, some people still won't show. That's what the appointment no-show workflow handles. When someone misses their session, this automatically sends a friendly "We missed you" message with a link to rebook. No awkward phone call needed, no lead lost. Section 5. New member welcome sequence. The first 30 days of a membership are the most critical. If a new member doesn't feel welcomed, doesn't connect with the community, and doesn't build a habit of showing up, they'll cancel within the first month. The moment someone moves into the active member stage in your pipeline, this automation fires. It sends a welcome SMS then a welcome email a few days later with everything they need to get started, and then a check-in message at the end of the first week. And speaking of the pipeline, here's what your member journey looks like visually inside GoHighLevel. You can see every lead and member, exactly what stage they're at. All you have to do to keep everything organized is update this pipeline once a day. This is especially useful if you have staff managing leads. Everyone can see the same pipeline in real time. Section 6. Reviews. When someone in your city types gyms near me into Google, the gym that shows up first almost always has the most reviews. GoHighLevel automates the entire process of collecting them. When a member reaches a certain stage in the pipeline, the workflow waits, then sends an SMS asking for a review. Before sending any follow-up email, it checks whether the contact already has a review completed tag, so you never send a review request to someone who's already left one. When you see a new Google review come in, just tag that contact with review completed in GoHighLevel. That condition step is what keeps this from becoming an annoying automation. Section 7. Referral campaign. Once a member has been with you for a while, they're your best source of new members. This automation makes sure you're actually asking. The referral campaign triggers when a member reaches the retained stage in your pipeline, meaning they've been around for over 3 months. It sends them an SMS and an email with a simple offer. Refer a friend and you both get a free month. When a referral comes in, you manually apply the free month to both accounts. It takes 30 seconds and costs significantly less than acquiring that same member through paid ads. Section 8. Missed call text back. When someone calls your gym and nobody picks up, GoHighLevel automatically sends them a text within seconds. This is the exact message I set up for this. Hi, name. Sorry we missed your call. Please let us know how we can assist you or feel free to call us back at your convenience. We're here to help. Best regards, the gym name team. Gyms get calls outside of opening hours all the time from people who just saw an ad, drove past, or finally decided to take action. Without this, that lead is gone. With this, you're responding before they think about calling the next gym on the list. Section 9. Churned member winback. When a member cancels, most gyms just let them go. This automation works in the background so you don't have to. When a member moves to the churned stage, it first sends a private message. Not a sales pitch, but a genuine check-in asking for honest feedback. This shows you care, and it sometimes reveals a fixable reason why they left. After a short wait, it sends a re-engagement offer to try and bring them back. Winning back a cancelled member costs a fraction of what it costs to acquire a new one. Section 10. Other features worth knowing. There are 2 additional features that are worth mentioning for gyms specifically. First, Voice AI. GoHighLevel has a Voice AI agent that can answer your gym's phone calls, handle common questions, and book appointments without a human picking up. Think about how many calls you get asking about pricing, opening hours, and class schedules. Voice AI handles those automatically 24 hours a day. It's an add-on that costs extra, and for complex conversations, you'll still want calls routing to a real person. But for first-touch inquiries, it saves a significant amount of staff time. And second, the unified inbox. GoHighLevel brings all your conversations into a single inbox. SMS, email, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, Google Messages. If you've ever had a lead contact you across 3 different channels and lost track of the thread, this solves that. Every interaction with every contact is in one place. So here's what we covered. A fully built gym website, a configured calendar, 8 automations that handle your leads, bookings, no-shows, new members, reviews, referrals, missed calls, and churned members, and a complete pipeline that tracks every contact from the moment they submit a form to the moment they become a long-term paying member. If you sign up for GoHighLevel through the link in the description, you'll not only get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days, but I'll also send you the full gym snapshot, the website, the forms, all 8 automations and the pipeline, imported directly into your account in a few clicks. You just swap in your gym's name, logo and details, and it's live. If you already have a GoHighLevel account, there's a second link in the description to upgrade to the unlimited plan and still get the snapshot. The link is in the description. If you want to get the full setup done, including how to buy your phone number and connect it, setting up your calendars, customizing the website to your liking, and much more, I've put together a beginner playlist covering all the GoHighLevel basics. I'll have that linked on screen. Thank you for watching. Please consider leaving a like on this video if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.